Sadakshara Reuben Padmanabhan, married to the dynamic Sharmila Padmanabhan, is one of the most prolific trainers in the Indian racing circuit. The winner of the Kingfisher Bangalore Derby 2012, this duo are sure the talk of the country today. The winning post catches up with the Padmanabhans, who have also trained the winner of the Bangalore St. Ledger, putting them in the spotlight for all the right reasons. This prolific trainer, popularly known as Paddy in the racing circuit, owns, trains and has bred the Bangalore Derby winner Borsellino. He takes us through his success story.
I think it was just like everybody would start. I had at least very poor, a lot of horses, older horses and lame horses. Those horses taught me how to train. When time came, the good ones came in. Then we were training good ones and we were improving on the performances. As a goalpost, I always pushed the levels of success. If in a year I won 2 group races, next year I thought I should win 6. Goalpost should be something which you cannot reach, where you struggle to reach. But I guess in the last few years we have been fortunate to be patronized by owners who have very good horses, who are breeding very good horses, and that helped things in a big way. The trainer is as good as the horses he has.
He has won the Bangalore Derby twice over, so he was very, very keen to win the Indian Derby, which was eluding him for a long time. But I'm sure this has a special significance because it is owned by us and trained by him. So definitely, I don't know if it's as important as the Indian Derby, but every Derby is important, let's put it that way.
Borsellino is a very special occasion for us because we won the broodmare. We sent her abroad. We brought her back covered by a good stallion. And today he went out and won the Derby. We had offers for him. We had offers for the dam at various stages. But we continued to keep faith in the mare and keep the progenies for us to race. We are damn thrilled with the result. It's not only training horses, it is also owning them and then breeding out of the good ones, which is a very special thrill. If you look at it, 8 lengths behind the best bred horses in the country were 8 lengths behind Borsellino, which is a great thrill for us because we are coming into a full circle of being an owner, trainer and a breeder.
But it was a great pleasure to see a horse bred by us come back from abroad and win over here, which is a record which has not been done by anybody in India as of today.
Padmanabhan has come in full circle in his career as he not only owns some of the best classic winning horses in this country, he has also trained them and bred them. Running Flame, the dam of his Derby winning colt Borsellino, has an interesting story there.
Running Flame, actually I bought Running Flame for a client of mine, and unfortunately before she started racing he went out of racing. So we were left with this particular horse. It's the only horse he had with me. And I went and made an offer to him saying that I would like to keep this filly and I would pay her 50% of whatever she earns. And that turned out very well for both of us. I took it over from him and he made a net profit of 70 or 80 lakhs because the filly kept winning races. Eventually she became our property. And then after that she won 3 or 4 more graded races in Hyderabad. Then we took her abroad, we raced her abroad. It was a new experience for us.
And spent a lot of money.
Money is what we earn, so money doesn't earn us. So it went along. Then we bred her. We had the privilege of training with some of the best trainers in the world, and today she's come back to me and I'm thrilled that I could train a Derby winner out of her.
The couple have some great plans for Borsellino and they take us through it all.
I think he deserved a rest, a break from training. He's raced in Bangalore, he went to Bombay, he came back, he's had 5 or 6 starts, and all the starts he was on the boil. So we will think about him in winter probably.
His wife Sharmila's association with horse racing dates back to when she was a kid, and her father was a proud owner of horses too.
My association with horse racing goes back to when I was a kid. My father owned a lot of horses in Calcutta. So I've always grown up in this ambience of horse racing. And I also happened to meet my husband on the race course during the invitation in Calcutta.
Today, she manages the administrative aspect of Padmanabhan's racing career.
After marriage, of course, I got more and more involved. And I play a lot of active part, not in the training, but in the administration work.
But the boss at home is clearly Sharmila.
Obviously me. And finally, even the owners think I'm the boss in the stables as well. They keep teasing him a lot about it. They said, who's the real boss? We have to meet. But I'm one of the few wives, trainers' wives, who's genuinely interested in, in the racing bit. And I think I'm pretty knowledgeable today about what is going on. I'm not just an amateur hanging around in the race course.
This is one couple who met at the racecourse and eventually decided to tie the knot. While Padmanabhan and Sharmila spend most of their collective time on their racing career, there are other sports that they have much interest in.
I think basically you have to unwind, you can't always be working, then it will be like a coiled spring under tension. The basic thing is, I go home every day by 7 o'clock in the evening, that's my time. And after 9 o'clock, I don't pick up a phone unless it's from my stable, if they're calling if there's an emergency. And apart from that, I'm interested in cricket, I'm interested in golf. We play some amateur cricket now and then, which keeps us going. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
I love playing cards. So whatever time I can get off from work, I run to play cards, But I play a bit of golf as well.
Team Fly Kingfisher winning post wishes them a splendid career going forward.